that balloon? Coco.
And Glenn!
Woohoo! Go Coco and Glenn. Who's on the balloon? Show us the balloon. What are you doing?
Thomas.
Thomas the SquarePants?
No, Thomas the Fishy.
Thomas the Fishy?
I'm just playing.
What's his name?
Thomas the Choo-Choo Train.
Thomas the Choo-Choo Train. Get it down here so we can see it. What number is on Thomas?
What number one?
What color is he?
Blue.
Is it a happy face or a sad face?
Happy, happy, happy.
We'll put it down here so we can see.
And as big as you are.
Yeah, look.
Spin him around real slow. Bring him down here. We want to see him.
Okay, this balloon's really cool, but it's super giant. And see what happens. It's super fun. It just slips off.
Whoa! It's attacking me.
It's attacking you. And the only thing is that it's really cool, but it's really frustrating when you hold them right there. Because you see, when you hold this, it just slips off of you. That's just very
It's going
frustrating.
crazy.
Yeah.
It's a crazy balloon.
Yeah, it's just very frustrating.
But it's fun. You love it, right?
Yeah.
It's not just frustrating.
Yeah.
Is it cool or frustrating? Which one?
Cool and frustrating.
Oh my
Go
goodness.
frustrating.
Cool, frustrating? Is it
Yeah.
more cool or more frustrating?
More cool.
More cool?
It's full.
Okay, tell everybody bye. Say, I hope you liked my frustrating
I hope you
balloon.
liked my